What's going on, my peeps? What's going on? I'm back at it. Back at it. Got my Floval Flyer 24. Bike check. Bike check. We'll start off with the tires. Maxxis DTH. Gotta love the Maxxis. Look at them tires. Race tires. Yes, sir. Beautiful. 24-inch 1.75. Then we're gonna come to the frame, which is a SE Racing Floval Flyer 24-inch frame. Very, very nice frame. If you haven't checked, I did do an unboxing video with this bad boy on this channel. You can check it out. Floval Flyer, BMX Innovations, 24-inch with the 22 or 21 point. Is it 22? I think it's 22. 22-inch top tube. Yeah, 22-inch top tube. So this part right here is going to be longer. That is the Floval Flyer. We got box 1, 24-inch rims. Very lightweight rim. This would be the back rim because it has the face on it for the brake. See that? That's the back rim. Then we're gonna come to the front. Check out the front rim. Got the sticker. Actually, it's not even a sticker. It's like lasered in there. It's not a sticker. But you see how it doesn't have the face on there for a brake? That makes it the front. If you could tell, you can see the difference right there. 24-inch rims, very nice. Then got the rim tape, box rim tape. It goes right there. Once the spokes are in, that is the box. That was cheap, like $6, no big deal. Then you got the carbon box seat. Everything is box, except for the hubs. Carbon seat, very lightweight, very, very, very light. And that's carbon fiber. Then we got profile hubs. You already know I run profiles on all my bikes. This is the front profile hub, 3/8. Then we got the 3/8 rear profile cassette with a 16-tooth cog. That's the profile. Then we're gonna run it over to the box, made in USA, baby. Box 2, chain ring. This is a 39. So I run a 39 in the front and a 16 in the back. Shadow conspiracy chain, you already know. That's all I run. Shadow. That's all I run, baby. Shadow half link, blacked out shadow half link chain. Chain tensioners, SE chain tensioners. Those came with the bike. I will be using those. Then we got the box 31.8 stem. Now this hole is a lot bigger than your regular bars. See how thick that is? This part is really thick. It's not like your regular bar. So you got to get the 31.8 stem to fit the 31.8 bars. Most bars, they look like this, but this one is fat. So that's the box 31.8 stem. And then we got the box 6.5-inch bars. Box 1, chromoly bars, 6.5-inch. Then we got the box headset, box 2 headset. Comes with all your little bearings. And then we got box 3, 24mm cranks, 2-piece. Yes. Nice. Very, very nice. Lightweight, straight through crank. That's what gives it its lightweight. And then you got the box bottom bracket right there, 24 mil. And then last but not least, carbon fiber XL forks. Very, very light weight. And it comes with a stem lock. Stem lock, if you don't know, if something drastic happens and let's say your forks come apart or come loose and your bars come loose, this right here keeps your bars from falling off and your forks from falling off. This will lock everything in place, I believe. Now, that is it for the bike check on the Floval Flyer. Yes, sir. That's my race bike. All I got to do now is get brakes, and I'm getting those for Christmas. Hopefully Chell will get those for me. I'm gonna wait on that. And after Christmas, I should be getting this thing put together. So, a couple more weeks, guys. We'll be in the game. Who's home?
Nobody.
Chell's home. She's got groceries. So, Maya, you home? Hey, get this shirt. I haven't seen this shirt in a long time. Get my shirt. Record it. What does it say? Swan City?
Yeah.
I lost this shirt. I found it.